Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Titiksha and I'm a chartered accountant. In today's video, I will be taking you through a 10-hour study day in my life. My exams are super close and I really need to study. So I thought of vlogging my whole day and I really hope you enjoy this one. If you do, please let me know by commenting and subscribing to my channel. So stay tuned till the end. I started my day a little late, and after doing all my morning stuff, including cleaning my desk, skincare and everything else, I started studying at around 8:45 am and I studied for 2 hours straight. After studying for 2 hours, I took a small break to have my breakfast, and here I am having a toast and crunchy peanut butter. I really like crunchy peanut butter and toast. I just add some salt because this one is unsweetened, and without salt it just does not taste very good. So yeah, that's me having my breakfast, and once we're done we'll start studying again. So since you know I have recently cleared my chartered accountancy exam, I got this ICAI membership kit a few days back and I really wanted to show it to you guys. So I'm inserting that clip here. I feel so proud when ICAI calls me member finally. I have worked so hard for this for the past 5 years, 6 years. I have done nothing except studying for this exam, and now when I am finally a member, it feels so great to share this with all of you. And you can do this too. You will get this too very soon. All you have to do is keep working super hard and you will be there in no time. Okay, it was lunchtime next, and after having my lunch, I took a nice little nap. Well, not so little, I took a 45 to 50 minutes nap, if you can call it nap, or dopair ki neend or whatever. But dopair ki neend is so necessary for me to keep functioning throughout the day, and I can miss anything, but dopair ki neend is a must for me. guys know how much I love skincare, so I've recently bought some products. The first one is this Dermafique toner. I absolutely love the packaging and so I bought it. I have heard some really good reviews about it. The next one is this Pond's Super Light Gel and is by far the best moisturizer I have ever used. I am totally in love with this one. If you haven't tried, give it a shot. Next is this L'Oreal serum, which honestly is so good. Next I got this Dot & Key 72-hour hydrating gel. I love Dot & Key ka packaging and so I got it. I will be using this one as my night cream. Next I got this Mabene lipstick. How gorgeous is the packaging and I'm totally in love with the shade. Next I got Good Vibes sheet mask, and sheet masks are my new favorite skincare product. They are so easy to use yet they're so very effective. I also got this Good Vibes Vitamin C and Vitamin B3 serum, and I have got all this product from Amazon. The link for all the product is in the description box. I would like to thank My Haul Store for sponsoring all these products, and the link to My Haul Store is also in the description box, so go check it out. Return is simply the percentage increase in the value of an investment over a given time period. The holding period return क्या है? End of period value divided by 1 minus 1. If a stock is valued at 20, finally, the last study session of the day, and it was a pretty productive day and I had fun as well, so it was nice. I really hope you enjoyed it as well. Enjoy this last clip.